This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Carver. This 3-bedroom plus an office pool home in Lakewood Ranch has been impeccably maintained. The open floor plan is light and bright with spacious rooms overlooking the private yard and swimming pool. The refrigerator, stove, washer and dryer are all less than 2 years old. The corner lot has been professionally landscaped. Enjoy one of Lakewood Ranch's premier communities with top A-rated schools, parks, playgrounds, walking trails. This home is close to premier sports facility, Lakewood Ranch Main Street shops and entertainment along with a world-class golf and rowing. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer Carver at 941-343-7953.